If you're traveling across islands or coastal areas, Google Maps can help you find ferry routes and boat schedules when public transit data is available. This makes it easier to plan trips that involve both land and sea travel. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and search for your destination. This could be an island, a port, or a coastal city depending on your route. Once the location appears, click on it to open its full details page. From there, select directions so you can start planning your trip. Next, enter your starting point. After that, choose transit mode so Google Maps shows all available public transportation routes, including buses, trains, and ferries where supported. Google Maps will generate different route options. Look carefully through them because ferry routes are usually indicated with a boat icon or labeled as ferry connections within the route steps. Click on a route that includes a ferry segment to see more details. You'll be able to view each part of the journey, including walking segments, bus transfers, and the ferry ride itself. In some cases, Google Maps will also show ferry departure times and estimated travel duration. This depends on whether the local ferry operators provide schedule data to Google. You can also click on the ferry terminal or port listed in the route. This may show additional details such as operating hours, location information, and sometimes schedule references. Keep in mind that ferry schedule availability varies by region. Major transport hubs and popular island routes are more likely to have complete data, while smaller or private ferry services may not appear. If no ferry route shows up, it may mean that Google Maps does not have transit data for that specific water route, so checking local ferry websites may be necessary. Still, when available, Google Maps provides a convenient way to combine land and sea travel in a single route, helping you plan trips more efficiently. And that's how you find ferry routes and boat schedules using Google Maps. Set your destination, switch to transit mode, and look for ferry routes in the suggested travel options.